Good morning. My name is Emily. This is my dog Charlie. Today I'm going to show you 3 basic moves to help you feel better first thing in the morning. I'm going to meet you back here. Just grab a chair. That's all you need, and we'll get started. All right, my friend, before we get started, my name is Emily. I'm a yoga teacher, a registered nurse, and a wellness professional. I create videos here on YouTube to help you feel better at any age, any stage of the game. We're going to take a moment to do these 3 exercises. You can do them any time of day. I love them first thing in the morning to help me warm up and feel my best. So beginning behind your chair, you can use the fingertips, just place the fingertips on the back of the chair, and we're going to start with some heel lifts. So gently lift and lower the heels back and forth, maybe rocking on the ball of the foot and the heel. Maybe you play with your balance, even just floating a finger off the chair. Just see what that feels like. Find your breath. Take a deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. And just notice how you feel. If you are practicing with me this morning, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. Of course, you can do these any time of day. We're here for 3, 2, and this last one, I'd love for you to hold here at the top with the heels lifted. And this is a great one to help activate the calf muscles and activate the fascia, the underside of the foot. Get that stretched out. Play with your balance, maybe floating a finger or 2 off the chair. We're here for 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Drop it down. Maybe march it out. Let it go. All right, our next move is going to be a downward facing dog using the support of the chair. So fingertips return to the back of the chair. Start to step one leg back and then the other leg back. Feel length through the spine. You can bend the knees quite a bit here if you need to, or maybe start to work to straighten through the legs. We're here for several breaths. Have the feet about hips width apart, and maybe gently start to shift the hips side to side, bending one leg as you straighten through the other. Find a softness where you can. And again, notice your breath, tuning back into that anchor, this metronome of our life that holds us here present in this moment. Gently finding some sway in the hips if that feels good. We're here for another breath cycle or 2. For 3, 2, and 1. Gently step forward again. Now, if any of these stretches feel really nice and you want to hang out with them longer, please do. You can always pause the video and return when you're ready. Next move, I'm just going to go ahead and turn my chair to the side. And we'll have a seat in the chair. We're going to practice seated cat-cow. So with our seated cat-cow, I'm going to turn this way so you can see my spine. I'm going to place the hands on the lap. Feet, again, are about hips width apart. On your in-breath, inhale, roll the heart open, maybe gently lift the gaze high. On your out-breath, tuck the belly button, tuck the chin, arch through the upper back body, roll into a scaredy cat shape. Inhale, rise up for cow pose. And exhale to soften and release, coming back into cat shape. And use the breath as you move here, just rocking back and forth. Feeling this beautiful articulation of the spine. Gentle waves here. Find a fluidity if possible. Nice job. See if it feels nice to slow it down a little bit. Pausing if you need to. If you feel a sticky spot, hang out there an extra beat or so. And let's be here for 1 or 2 more cycles, just depending on your pace this morning. And when you've had enough, gently roll out of there. We'll make our way into a simple, easy seat. Hey, buddy. Nice, and this is where we'll hang out. Just go ahead and release the hands down by the sides. Take an angel breath, sweep the arms up and overhead, palms kiss. Exhale, draw the hands to heart center, prayer position. And give thanks for this moment. Thanks for this breath. Thanks for this practice that you can help to improve your day. I thank you so much for being here. If this is something that you enjoy, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I love to connect with folks all over the world. So if you do want to learn more about the work I do and who I do it for, you can check out my website. It's emilydarty.com. Over there, you can grab your Gentle Stride Guide. That's a beginner's guide to home walking. And then also, I am offering private yoga sessions. So if that's something you are interested in, you can book a free 15-minute discovery call with me. And information about that is going to be in the comments below. So definitely check that out. I would love to connect with you on a deeper level. And in the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful week. I will see you again very soon. Bye bye. Take care.